Yasho bafethu kuhamba kanjani? You know just how we do. Another day, another dope video. Sasile yantwana bafethu yasemkonti 1804 Msotra. Inkosi start umgijima indoda egijima start ngene ehlathini ishipho bese likhamisile. Bathi inkaba izondijayibisa abantu. Ngoshona amapiano and bafethu today we outside. Njengoba naninizwa semalayitini semsindweni and ngiphethe ezinye zezinja bafethu eziphethe ama-underground ngama-chokehold but ithi ningathi ngiyamkhulumela nithi ngiyanishayashaya azisho ukuthi ubani awuthami
Wala
nathi
mnandi wena.
mnandi awuthami ngicela utshele nje ababukeli ukuthi who are we rolling with senza kanjani soyenzani.
Sanibonani babukeli, ngiphethe umshini oyishintshayo RSA today, versatile artist from Middleland Zone 3. Yeah, I do all types of music. Amapiano, hip hop, R&B, like ngida senzobona ngami fe. You can check me on my socials, umshini oyishintshayo, Facebook and Instagram, TikTok. Yeah.
Bafethu nizwele umshini weshintshayo, you can check him out on all his social media platforms. Shima nje awuthami, what are we doing lana vandaag? Sizobabonisani siyenzani?
Today ngizela eLufent efede ngizoperforma, ngizobajabulisa, ngizobaxolisa, ngizoyenza into yami. Yeah.
Ne on jam showcase. Nyabonga mfethu for your time. But before you leave us, bro, please tell us what is it that people can expect. You just told us who you're a versatile artist. What is it that people can expect? And please give us the word of the day. Let's go to amanya aspiring artists who also want to be in this music industry.
Oh, okay. So the word of the day is do you pray, consistency, put in the consistency. Like without consistency ngeke uphelele kude. Mele ube ne consistency, mele uthandaze, mele usibone uda before ufika la kuqala. You have to believe in yourself ngoba akekho umuntu ozokholela kuwe. That's the word of the day.
Thank you, Outam. And then what can the people expect from you? And then maybe this weekend or the next weekend, like what is your gig guide looking like?
Okay, so there's a song out called Jozi to Mambisa, yeah, featuring Shagatela. So yeah, you can go and check that out. It's out on all the digital platforms. Yeah, and yeah, let's roll Bafethu.
Yasho bafethu tanko kanjalo Jozi to Mambisa out now featuring Mshagateli. So please do the most, check out the music bafethu, nisupporteni ngoba into encane ishilo uthi umshini weshintshayo like an old machine nisazoyenza amasimba. So uzwe lana kuqala ukuthi ikhona enye efikile njalo esisha ama chokes lem. Ungathi asikutshelanga ungathi asibhekeli. Danko.